Hi everybody, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christina Vonti Fisher, and today I'm going to be making one of my all-time favorite recipes that I found in Bon Appetit magazine, like, I don't know, 15 years ago. It's my take on it, an amazing pasta with fresh tomato sauce. And when I say fresh, I'm talking, we don't even cook the tomatoes. It's very simple to make, simple ingredients, but so delicious. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do to get this whole thing started is, and I'm gonna score the bottom of my tomatoes. So just by putting an X on the bottom. So I'm doing about 3 pounds of tomatoes. And you wanna do that because I'm telling you, the sauce is so good. It's good the next day and the day after that, trust me. Now we're gonna drop them in some boiling water. They're gonna boil for 1 minute so I can peel the skin off really easy. Then I'm gonna put them in an ice bath. The next step is you wanna take 1 clove of garlic minced, right? I'm gonna do a little bit more. I think it's the Italian in me, I can't help it. I can't just do 1 clove of garlic. But for those of you out there that don't wanna over garlic yourself, do 1 clove. Okay, now I've got a teaspoon of salt. Normally I have a mortar and pestle, can't find it today, no problem. So I'm just gonna smash the salt into the garlic and I'm gonna make a little paste. Next, I'm gonna take these tomatoes, I'm just gonna peel the skin off like this. Nice and easy. All right, okay, so now we're gonna give them a rough chop. So we wanna cut them, first of all. We wanna get any white parts or green parts cut out of there, so let me just cut that out. Get the seeds out. Then, you give a rough chop. Okay, so there's a rough chop. So 2/3 of the tomatoes get a rough chop like that. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the core part out of my tomato. I'm gonna put it in my, the last 2 tomatoes, I'm gonna put it in my food processor. So I just want the tough part out. All right. Wow, that is a gorgeous, I just had to share. That's stunning. Okay, I can't even help myself. I'm gonna put the tomatoes in the food processor. We're gonna give it a little zhuzh. Here we go. All right, I think that's a happy, mostly pureed tomato. Okay, so we've got our tomato mixture. Remember the garlic paste we made with the salt? I'm gonna put that in. Now we're gonna put in the lemon, the sugar. Just gonna mix it, and then you just wanna leave it at room temperature for 30 minutes. So we're just gonna put the pasta here. All right, you just kinda wanna move it around a bit. And then we're gonna put our sauce all over this. And we can just do it just this. If you're vegetarian, you're good right here. If you wanna add a grilled fish, like I like to do the grilled salmon with lime butter, that works too, and it's delicious. Give it a little mixing in. Here we go. Now, one of my secret favorite ingredients, a very, very good extra virgin olive oil from the motherland. Okay, so I just want to put just a tiny drizzle. But there you go, Bon Appetit. It's my pasta with my fresh tomato sauce.